Hello and welcome to Quest, weekly Kashmir University video digest. First, a look at the highlights. CSIR NET examinations held. World Volunteers Day observed. And Law Department holds annual function. Now the details of these events with your host Rabia Bashir. Joint CSIR UGC NET test for junior research fellows and eligibility for lecturership was held in University of Kashmir. More than 3,000 postgraduate science students of Valley took part in the examination. CSIR, which means Council of Scientific Industrial Research, is the highest funding agency in India in science research and development. For the conduct of smooth functioning of the examination, University had taken adequate measures. The examination was held in 2 sessions during the day. Supervisor CSIR UGC NET Professor Khaliquzzaman Khan along with coordinator Dr. Qazi Parvez inspected examination centers in the university. Later speaking to the Quest team, they expressed their satisfaction with the conduct of examination.
बहुत बड़ा मौका होता है हमारे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, साइंस स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कि वो नेट के एग्ज़ाम में बैठें और ख़ासतौर से साइंटिफिक के लिए एज लेक्चरर अपॉइंटमेंट प्लस जो रिसर्च फेलोशिप्स है उसके लिए ये टेस्ट होता है। और इसकी वजह से ख़ास बात ये हुई है कि इसकी जब से हमने यहाँ पर कंडक्ट करना शुरू किया है तब से यहाँ जो लोग अपीयर हो रहे हैं, बच्चे हमारे अपीयर हो रहे हैं, उनकी तादाद बढ़ती जा रही है और ये क्वालिफाई करते हैं लेक्चरशिप प्लस JRF के लिए। और एक बहुत अच्छी तादाद हर साल और हर साल में 2 बार जो टेस्ट होता है उसमें अच्छी खासी तादाद हमारे बच्चों की क्वालिफाई करती है और एक साइंटिफिक टेम्परामेंट और एक कॉम्पिटिटिव माइंड इनके उसमें डेवलप हुआ है। और हमें फ़ख्र है इस बात का कि हमने ये फैसिलिटी CSIR के तवज्जुह से यहाँ प्रोवाइड की बच्चों को।
पिछले 10 साल से यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स ये एग्ज़ाम दे रहे हैं। ये साल में 2 बार होता है, जून और दिसंबर में। तो रिसेंटली इसमें लास्ट ईयर हमने एक और सब्जेक्ट जो है CSIR की तरफ से ऐड हुआ है, दैट इज़ इंजीनियरिंग साइंस। तो उसकी वजह से अब स्टूडेंट्स की तादाद और बढ़ रही है और एक्सपेक्टेड है कि नेक्स्ट जो समर है उसमें और भी स्टूडेंट्स जो है इसमें एडिशन हो जाएगा। कश्मीर यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ कोलैबोरेशन में हम ये जॉइंटली इसको सुपरवाइज करते हैं और मैं कश्मीर यूनिवर्सिटी के जो सुपरवाइजर हमारे प्रोफेसर खालिकुज़्ज़मान साहब हमारे साथ हैं, इनका शुक्रगुजार हूँ।
मुझे खुशी है कि यहाँ के बच्चे अब साइंस स्ट्रीम में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जा रहे हैं। CSIR की भी एफर्ट्स यही है कि बच्चे ज़्यादा साइंस पढ़ें और ये नेट और क्वालिफाई करें। इसका ये फ़ायदा होता है कि CSIR इनको फेलोशिप देता है और ये बच्चे कल लेक्चरशिप के लिए भी एंटाइटल होते हैं। मुझे खुशी है कि इस साल तकरीबन 3200-3100 बच्चे इन हालात में भी इस सीज़न में भी एग्ज़ाम दे रहे हैं। दूर दराज इलाकों से ये बच्चे आते हैं। हमें खुशी है कि लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा साइंस की तरफ राग़िब हो रहे हैं और साइंस भी ऐसी चीज़ है जो कि सोसाइटी को चेंज कर सकती है।
To mark the World Volunteers Day, National Service Scheme organized a function in which volunteers and NSS program officers from various degree colleges participated. NSS program coordinator Professor Farooq Ahmed Khan presented the inaugural address.
To make the volunteerism as an important focal point where man is put at center for the development of the nations. Challenges which we are facing, the climatic changes, the technological change, and there we need the people who make 75% of our population ranging between 15 years to 35 years. That's where focus is made to create volunteerism, an important mechanism, an important modus operandi, an important tool for creating society to face the challenges of the Millennium Goals.
Head UN Volunteers Program, Mr. Narendra Mishra, read the message of Secretary General of UN, Mr. Ban Ki-moon.
The Secretary General of United Nations, Mr. Ban Ki-moon, he on the 5th of December at the International Volunteer Day had shared a message with us, all of us globally, And I'll just mention that this Volunteers Day, this year, we are celebrating the contribution of youth. So the theme is Young Global Active, where it celebrates the spirit of volunteerism, especially the youth volunteerism, their engagement in societal development globally. There are more than 1.2 billion youth in the world today with incredible potential to tackle challenges and act as agents of change. This is what he has. I'm just quoting the statement of Secretary General Ban Ki-moon. When young people volunteer, the opportunity provides them with valuable life and job skills. It strengthens their capacity to lead and become engaged in their communities and global society.
District Development Commissioner Srinagar, Mr. Farooq Ahmed Shah, informed audience that he has seen the spirit of social service more in rural areas than in urban places.
शहर से हटके आपको कह रहा हूं कि कुछ एरियाज में अदर देन द अर्बन एरियाज लोग इसको ज्यादा समझ पाए सोशल सर्विस को, वॉलंटरी जो है सपोर्ट को. इन अनंतनाग जो हमारे फंड से रेड क्रॉस में इट वाज अबाउट मोर देन 90 lakhs. और जहां आते रहते थे पैसे लोग देते थे खुद ही. वंस आई ज्वाइंड श्रीनगर, कुछ कहीं आग लग गई तो मैंने अपने वो रेड क्रॉस जो हमारे हैं मैंने उनको बुलाया. मैंने कहा इन लोगों की मदद करनी है, आपकी किटी में कहा सर 12,000 रुपीज. ये आप देखिए कितनी डिफरेंस है बिटवीन रूरल डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड अर्बन डिस्ट्रिक्ट. अर्बन डिस्ट्रिक्ट में ऐसे जो है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को ज्यादा मजबूत होना चाहिए था, बट वो ज्यादा वीक हैं. वजह यही है कि हम इस जो है इस सर्विस को नहीं समझ पाए.
In his presidential address, Vice Chancellor, University of Kashmir, Professor Talat Ahmed appreciated the efforts of NSS and said that their work and efforts helped them in getting Indira Gandhi Award.
We were very fortunate to have the award of NSS Indira Gandhi Award, in which the university received from the President of India. And there are lots of activities that has been happening in the university and in the affiliated colleges. And now I think we are going to have much bigger role and much bigger mandate, as I understand from some of the meetings that I have attended in Delhi, that there is a possibility, very serious thinking is there, that some certificates will be given to the students, which is going to be helpful for them for their career and future job prospects.
Professor Talat informed audience that the government is thinking to give preference to volunteers not only in colleges and universities but in private and government jobs as well.
By getting into NSS or NCC and these type of things, you get disciplined, you learn how to act when and how to have a feeling for your society and for the country. But at the same time, this is not going to help you, in terms of your career. In terms of your career, you should get also some sort of advantage over others because you are spending time, okay? And at the same time, you are getting trained on something. So you will be given some sort of preference in terms of education, in terms of job. That is very serious thing that is now being considered by the Government of India, and I am sure that it may come through very soon.
NSS Program Officer and EMMRC faculty, Mr. Tariq Abdullah, coordinated and anchored the program.
On behalf of NSS University of Kashmir, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to all of you by gracing the occasion and sharing with us your thoughts and aspirations. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation for all of you, of our well-wishers who have helped and cooperated with us in organizing this program.
On the occasion, films on environment and disaster preparedness were shown. The film screening was jointly organized by EMMRC and NSS. Department of Law celebrated its first annual day. The annual day function was held in the Convocation Complex of the university. Dean and Head Law Faculty Professor Mohammad Ayub presented the inaugural remarks.
The faculty, right from its establishment, has made a significant contribution towards the overall development of the society. The admission to all the courses is made through fair and transparent entrance tests conducted by the Central Admission Committee under the chairmanship of Dean Academic Affairs. At present, the alumni of the faculty are holding important positions in every sector of the state. They occupy key positions in the legislature, cabinet, executive, police, judiciary, and other important sectors of civil society. A good number of the alumni also hold important positions at the national and international level. Recently, one of its alumni has been elevated to the honorable position of the Chief Justice of Himachal Pradesh High Court.
Registrar Professor Zafar Ahmed Rishi remarked that the annual function is held for various purposes.
I understand that this is a 3-in-1 function. It's basically an annual day which is being celebrated by the students of the Department of Law. It is simultaneously a Freshers' Day. The department is welcoming those who have joined the portals of this department this year. And is also simultaneously the students are bidding farewell to those who have completed their studies successfully from this very important department. In a nutshell, what basically I would like to tell you that these people have contributed towards the development of this institution, and likewise they have shaped basically the destiny of a very large number of students who basically are occupying positions of eminence, not only in the state, elsewhere as well, as was pointed out by our worthy head of the department.
Professor Rishi reminded students that once they enter in the law faculty, they are in safe hands.
This department has produced legal luminaries, and those who are basically moving out of the portals of department should remember it, and then should leave basically a mark wherever they work, and make basically this university, not only this university and not only their teachers, but themselves as well as their parents very proud. Those who have joined basically this department this year, I must tell you that without any hesitation that you are in very safe hands. You would basically get the first class training there in the Department of Law. This Department of Law is different than the rest of the departments because here the theoretical work does not matter much. Instead, the actual basically the way the business is conducted it does make a real difference to you. They have on their faculty the judges who have served the state with distinction. They have brought with them a lot of expertise and experience which they would share with you, and consequently that would help you.
Dean Academic Affairs Professor A.M. Shah in his speech said that he is delighted to see such a talent in the law faculty.
Today I was delighted when I saw some students, apart from other things, they are basically have an exposure to different things. Not only that, I have seen law department focusing on those things to give the students practical oriented training, taking them to Supreme Courts, taking them to High Courts, taking them to other places, so that once they are coming out from the university, they will be definitely the very, very effective lawyers. I congratulate those who have done this job, and inshallah I hope the others who are with us, they will also be very effectively working hard towards their academics and to be the best lawyers in years to come for us, not only at the national level, at the global level as well.
Vice Chancellor Professor Talat Ahmed, while praising law students, reminded them that law faculty has produced luminaries and advised them to follow their footsteps.
It is very nice also to recollect that first time in the history of University of Kashmir, the Chief Justice of India, Janab Abdul Altamas Kabir Sahab, came over here and he attended a function of the department, and many luminaries like Justice Thakur also came over. We are trying to have lots of MOUs
within the country and abroad. And as Zafar Sahab and Professor Shah told, we are bringing changes in our system. So definitely all these things are going to help you to have a much brighter career.
Professor Talat told students that time has come where they have to further raise their professional potential to meet the changing global socio-legal demands.
I really enjoyed the program that has been presented by our students. There are lots of talents which is very apparent. I say good luck to all our students who are passing out this year, and I am sure they have learned their lessons well, and they will bring good names to the university and to their teachers, so that the teachers should be very proud of them. And also, we welcome the newcomers to this department. I have been seeing that the law faculty has been very active. It's a big department, and in general, the impression is that they are doing very well. But definitely, I would like to go into more details and see how things can be improved upon. And we will take everything very seriously to see that the students get the best of education in this institution.
At the annual day, law students honor dignitaries of the university and teachers of the faculty for their best service to the Department of Law and the University of Kashmir. Later, the law students showcased their talent through skits, music, and other entertainment items. With this, we come to the end of today's program. Log on to our website emmrckashmir.com, where you watch all the latest episodes of The Quest. Send us your suggestions at our email address quest@emmrckashmir.com. Before I take you a leave, here are a few words of wisdom. Truth is not truth, but noisome error and rank falsehood if it presumes to exist outside the pale of European cognizance.